Hello! What's up? What's up? Good morning! Good afternoon, good evening mga Glenaps. Dito na tayo to see that Bubbles Crispy Pata. We are here at Lucena, Quezon. So let's try this restaurant here in the back. Alright, let's go. One of the famous restaurant here in Lucena. So which is Bubbles Crispy Pata and restaurant. See, ang daming punong-puno actually the parking right now. See that? So let's go. Umambot. Okay, so this is the let's go there first kasi puno na dito. Anyway, this is inside, no? So, sige. I'll show you inside. Daming person. So, we'll go to the outside. The kubo outside. Just here. You see? Very nature. Love it. Diba? There's the kubo here. May garden area. Kasi puno na yung loob. That's why dito tayo. See? May mga kubo-kubo, diba? And then ano naman safe siya. So it's very malamig right now. Time check. 1 p.m. So atap malamig siya. Yan. And then yan. Alright. Nandito kami sa tabing dagat. Ngayon. nasa tabing dagat kami. Nakita nyo naman yung hapagkainan, di ba? O, di ba? Naririnig nyo ba? Ang pampabata po na made in Bubbles. Di ba? Ayun, no? Pampabata.
Ngayon tayo dapat mag-picture.
Thank you, kuya.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Uy, may pusa.
Kuya, picture mo naman kami, oh.